Welcome back to snippetcoder, and we are back with a video. In this video we will learn about how to give the updates in our application. So sometime we roll out a new version of our application, we want the user to know about it. So whether we fix a bug or added any new feature, we need the user to know about it. As a developer, we want all our users to use the latest version of our application. But the question comes how we can integrate in-app updates in our Flutter application. So for solving that, in this video, we are going to integrate the in-app updates in our application, and we will learn how we can achieve that in Android or iOS. So before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thank you. So for giving the update, we have two type of option. First is like we can give the push notification to the user. You can update the app from the Play Store or the App Store. And the second option is by giving the facility inside the app, that is in-app update. With the help of that, user will be automatically get the message without we have to depend on any push notification or anything else. In this video, we will cover about the in-app updates and all. In Flutter, we have two types of plugins which provide this facility. First is in-app update and the second is upgrader. So let's talk about the in-app update. So in this package, in-app update, so it is using the official Android API, and also the look and feel of that update is also coming on the basis of that. You can say the native app like that way. And it's provided documentation, like for first function it's provide for checking if there is any update available. For that they have the specific function that is check for update. Then we have perform immediate update, and that will be perform as immediate update, full screen update. And the third one is a start a flexible update, and this will do inside the, you can say, in the background download. And the fourth one is complete flexible update, and it actually install an available flexible update. Only issue in this package is that it's only support Android, not iOS. But for the iOS, we have to use another package, but it is not recommended to use two same type of plugin in the same code base. So for this purpose, we are going to use another package, that is upgrader. So this package provide the same feature, but the only thing is that the look and feel is not so attractive. It is giving the very simple pop-up message for the update and all, but it's provide the update for Android and iOS both. It's supporting both Android and iOS, and the documentation for implementing this package is very simple, very straightforward. So let's jump to our application and let's integrate this upgrader and let's see how it's work. So this is our application. So first of all, we have to go to a pubspec, and there we will add the new package, and here we will add the new package, and the name of the package is upgrader. Here we added the package and we will save the file. So now we will go to our main.dart file, and we will go to a lib folder, and there we have main.dart file, and here we have to just add one line of code, that is upgrade alert, and here we have the child, and we will map this child with this my home page. And from here we will import the package. Here we import the package. That all what we have to do. And for doing the testing of this plugin, we have to just run our application. And first we have to just change the version here, and we have to put the version lower than the Play Store version. Here we have the version is 1.0.0, and for doing the testing we are just using some other application package name so that we can test our package is working or not. So now we will run our application, and after that we will see we are getting that message or not. So here in the application you can see we are getting the message that is a new version of the Flutter_app_update is available. This is the application name. Version 17.2.3 is now available, and you have 1.0.0 version. And if you go to a pubspec, you can see here we are using the version here 1.0.0. That means the install application in the device is this one, and the Play Store application version is this one. So it is asking us, do we need to ignore it, or do we need to make it later, or do we need to update it now? So it's all up to the user how they will proceed. So now I will show you one more example. Like now I will just change the version to the higher version of the application and the lower version in that Play Store, and we will see that we are getting this pop-up or not. So here I will make the version as a 17 and this one as a 2 and this one I will make it as a 4 and I will save it and I will reload the application after that. So now here if I start debugging, so here you can see we are not getting any pop-up for the app update because we are already on the higher version from that Play Store. So now if I lower the version again to see we are getting the pop-up or not. So here I will change the version to that 1.0.0 and I will run the application. Now we will see we are getting that update pop-up or not. So here you can see we are getting the pop-up message that is new version of the app is available because we changed the version to 1.0.0, and when we click on the update now it will land us to the app store and from there we can update the app here. So right now I just map this application with the Zomato app. If we go there you can see here we are getting this app here, and if I show you the version here and if I go to the about this app, then here you can see the version of the app is 17.2.3. that what we are getting in the pop-up also. So in this way user can update the app to that from that app store. So that's all in this video. In this way we can integrate that in-app updater in our application. That is very simple, just one line of code. We can integrate it without having any headache of implementing any native code or anything. We just need to add the package in our PubSpec. After that we have to add the one-liner code in our main.dart file and we are just ready to go with the in-app integration in our Flutter application. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, and please let me know if you like this video or not. I will come back soon with another awesome video. Thank you for watching the video.